Hello again. After we have seen how to capture the HTTP and HTTPS traffic, in this lecture I'd like to show you how to spoof the DNS. So again we will use BetterCap, but this time we will change the interface. In the previous attack we were doing the attacks to the ATH0 because it's the default interface. If you write only BetterCap and press enter, then it will pick the ATH0 with this IP. Let's see if I write fconfig. So this 10.0.2.6, it's here, so it's the ATH0. But if I want to pick this WLAN 0 to start sniffing the data from, first of all I need to connect to the wireless, to my Wi-Fi network. Then I have to write like that, BetterCap ---- interface and WLAN 0, enter. Sorry, here it's BetterCap. Okay, so now the IP has changed, we can notice here. So what's DNS spoof? DNS spoof, if we have any website, this website has an IP. So if you want this website to be redirected to your Kali machine, you have to tell the BetterCap tool to spoof this website and forward it to my Kali machine. So in case I requested any website like WeV or anything, so our Kali machine web server or web page will appear. So normally, before starting the DNS spoof, let me show you how to start the web server in Kali Linux. Just you need to write service Apache 2, this is the name of the web server, then start. Okay, so what's our wireless IP? 192.168.8.104. so if I go to my PC and try to log in, so this is Apache 2 Debian default page. This is the default page of the web server here. Okay, so we need to start before start spoofing the DNS. Now if you go to BetterCap again, help. Okay, so we need to start this DNS spoof, and as usual just we need to write help DNS spoof, enter. Here we need to spoof all the DNS requests, so we need to enable this, and here we need to specify which domain we want to attack. Okay, so let's start with this. We'll use set DNS.spoof.all true, and the target DNS.spoof.domains. So here we can specify any domain, so let's take our weevil.info, and I can take something else. Let's say this one. Okay, so these two things, and I can separate between them with comma as mentioned here. Comma separated values. Okay, so I'll press enter. So I forgot to put set here. I forgot to put set, enter. Okay, then as usual we'll make DNS spoof on, enter. Okay, so here it's telling me if anyone requested this website, it will be forwarded to my Kali machine, and the same traffic for this another website, it will be forwarded to my Kali machine. So we need to run the spoof first. As we learn, set r.spoof dot full duplex true, set r spoof dot target, our target is my PC, targets 192.168.8.102, set r.spoof local true, then r.spoof on. Let's try now. If I go to Google and try weevil.info, after enabling the DNS spoof, we need to wait a little for the new configuration to be broadcast, and it's always recommended to clean the history. Okay, let's see here how the spoof and DNS spoof is running. We can run that cabinet. Let's try again. See, after some time, after requesting this website, start, and here you can see start sending the spoof DNS reply to this one, to this website, and the same for this one. But it will take a little time, then it will work fine. See here, sending spoof DNS reply to Weevil. So the DNS spoofing attack will help in many ways or in many scenarios, such as, let's say, Weevil website. When we are trying to access it, it's being forwarded to our Kali Linux web server. We can configure our Kali Linux web server to view another page and to show a fake Weevil or a copy of that website, but embedding a backdoor, let the target feel that it's just genuine and to use it, and we will gain the access. In the next lecture, I'm going to show you how to start generating your own backdoor to send it to your target to gain access to his PC or to his server easily.